in Tropical Academy, and basically like we started this around 2 years ago, and it was always one of our goals as Lokal to put up a school for island communities. So as Lokal started to develop, when we started way back in 2017, our dream was always to create a space where we could really empower the local community, and we figured that was through education and vocational education. So here we're in our classroom structure of Tropical Academy. What we wanted really, so Mark, our other co-founder, he's an architect, what we wanted was an open air classroom where you could really feel that you're integrated to nature. So we're partners with TESTA and ATI, and what we wanted was really to create a vocational school. So slowly we've started with farming, eventually carpentry, culinary, and really just creating skills building and courses that the local community would really need. So there's that whole issue now with young farmers transitioning out of farming, especially also in an island community like Siargao, where a lot of them would rather go into tourism.
We have Tropical Academy, which is the capacity building tool of the organization. The design of it, it's mainly trying to identify what are the needs of the island and give it a sustainable version. For example, farming with nature, building in a way that's resilient to the climate change, and hospitality, training the hospitality world on waste management, sourcing locally.
One reason why we also exist is because we're scared that the progress in Siargao is gonna be similar to that of Boracay or that of Bali, where progress was happening so fast that farmers begin to sell their land to resorts, or that the locals, a lot of the livelihoods here they import the livelihoods from different islands, and that's not what we want for Siargao. So we're pretty lucky that we have this narrative in the first place, where we're here at the start trying to shape it in a way where, no, this is still the island of the Siargaonons, and that you have to respect that culture. And it's not as if we're other islands where you're gonna build these buildings and like build what you want to build. It's respecting that culture, and that's something that we really want to preserve in that island. I think the key to progress is really collaboration, and that also involves collaborating with the government. Because at the end of the day, you guys all want the same thing. You want the Siargaonons to be uplifted, and so it's really how can we work hand in hand together towards that one goal.
Actually, siguro dinala lang ako. Kumbaga, destiny ko talaga yung agriculture, kasi kumbaga yung parents ko is farmer, tapos ayaw nila mag-agriculture actually. Kasi nga daw is, ayun, tanim-tanim lang, magbubunot lang daw ng halaman, ganun. Ang gusto talaga nila is teacher, kasi nga daw malaki sahod. Sabi ko, ipaglalaban ko to kahit sa pamilya ko pa. Kasi ayaw talaga nila. Nakikita ko kasi, puro talaga matatanda na yung farmers. Kumbaga gusto ko kasi sa akin nag-lead. Yeah, ganun. Parang wala kasi yung heart ng mga kabataan ngayon para sa agriculture. Parang ganun. So parang mas touch yung puso ko. Sabi ko, tatapusin ko yung agriculture, tapos ipupush ko siya in the future. Na sabi ko, gusto ko makita ng kabataan kung ano ba talaga yung importansya ng agrikultura sa atin. Kasi para sa akin nakikita ko parang mismo yung Pilipinas hindi nga magkaroon ng maibabalik yung dati, na kahit yung hindi lang basta mga matatanda lang yung nagli-lead sa pagdating sa agrikultura, kundi yung mga kabataan din. Kasi nga, di ba sabi nga, kami yung pag-asa ng bayan. So, gusto ko kung pagdating sa pag-asa ng bayan is pagdating sa agrikultura. Ganun po.